So this problem is maximum area of square hole in the grid. It is today's contest problem. So in this problem, they will give you some horizontal lines and some vertical lines. So n number of horizontal lines and m number of vertical lines, and out of there you can remove this index of horizontal line and this index of vertical line. So they will give you two array. One array will represent how much horizontal line that you remove and their index, and one array will represent how many vertical lines you can remove and their index. And the task is you have to find what is the maximum square area that you can generate by removing the horizontal lines and vertical lines. So the thing is, you have to calculate what is the maximum vertical area that you can generate and what is the horizontal area that you can generate. So the thing is, suppose this is the entire area. So how, and these are the lines. These are the lines. So out of these, how many horizontal line you can remove and how many vertical lines can you remove? They have given their indexes. So suppose you, if you can remove this one, and if you can remove this one and this one, the area will generate will be, after removing this one, you will not have this one, and after removing this one and this one, you will not have this one. So you will get this much area. But here you are having 4 length of horizontal area and 2 length of vertical area. So the rectangle that you can fit in between will be the 2 cross 2, because the area of rectangle will depend on what is the minimum length of rectangle, what is the minimum vertex of rectangle. So the total area you can generate is the minimum of horizontal and vertical one to the power 2. So the main task is how to calculate what is the horizontal area you can calculate or what is the vertical area you can calculate. So horizontal area or vertical area will depend how many consecutive horizontal line you can remove. That will give you how many consecutive vertical line you can remove. It will give you what is the maximum length of horizontal area that you can generate, and what is the vertical line, how many vertical line you can, consecutive vertical line you can remove, plus one will give you the what is the horizontal vertical area that you can generate. So after calculating both horizontal and vertical area that you can generate, you have to find out the minimum of the both. And suppose it is x, suppose this much x line x length you have generated and this much y length you have generated. So the rectangle that you can calculate will be the minimum of x comma y to the power 2. This much area you can generate. And horizontal line or vertical line will, how to calculate what is the horizontal line or vertical line maximum area, what is the maximum horizontal length and what is the maximum vertical length you can create will be the what is the consecutive horizontal line you can remove or what is the consecutive vertical line you can remove. For that, the code will be, here you have put it code. So comes in my submission part, and in submission part the code is, first sort the horizontal line that you can remove and sort the vertical line you can remove, and calculate what is the maximum length of horizontal space that you can generate. For that, compare each line. If that indexes that you can remove is equal to the previous index plus 1, that means it is consecutive index. So if not equal to that one, that means this is new indexes starting. So for consecutive index, suppose horizontal indexes that you can remove is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 6. So maximum consecutive line is 2 and 3. So its length is 2. So maximum horizontal area that you can generate is this length 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And same on here, we can remove 5th line, 6th line, but you can't remove 7th line. So if you can't remove 7th line, that means the area that you are generating by 5th and 6th will restricted to 7 only. So the maximum area that you can generate by removing a 6 7 is 2 plus this length 2 5 consecutive sequence length is 2 5 6. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the maximum here 2 and here 2. So minimum of 2 into minimum of 2 and 2 is 4. So 4 to the power 2 is equal to 4. So here is code for the same. So sort the both the length, and after sorting find out the what is the maximum consecutive length a plus 1. Same on find out on same way find out the what is the maximum vertical length a plus 1, and find out the minimum of both a power 2. This will give you the result.